In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your personal information in just a few minutes. This process is straightforward and will help you ensure that all of your details are up to date on your Google account. First, head to your Google account homepage, locate and click on your profile icon, which you can usually find at the top right corner of the page. This icon typically displays your profile picture or your initials if you haven't set a photo. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, select the Manage Your Google Account option from the menu. This will redirect you to the main dashboard of your account settings. On this page, focus on navigating to the left side of the menu and click on Personal Info. This section houses all the essential information linked to your account and allows you to make updates to ensure everything reflects your current details. Your personal information is divided into different categories for easy management. First, under Basic Info, you can update details such as your name, birthday, and gender. If any of these have changed, or if you made a typo during the initial setup, click on the section you wish to amend, make your changes, and remember to save them before moving on. Next is the Contact Info section where you can review and update your recovery email address. Adding a backup email is a smart way to secure your account further. You can also add or update your phone number, which Google uses to help you recover your account if you forget your password or need to verify your identity. Following that, click on the Addresses section. This is another crucial area where you can ensure that your current address is accurate. Whether you've moved recently or are planning to, keeping this information correct is vital for both personal convenience and security. By following these steps, you've successfully edited your personal information on your Google account. This process not only helps keep your account details current, but also strengthens the security of your account. Ensuring that your personal information is up to date can save you time and hassle in the future. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy info changing!